Have you ever noticed how your body feels different when you spend time in nature? Perhaps you walk through a forest and without consciously trying, your breathing becomes slower. You sit beside the ocean and feel your mind becoming quieter. You listen to rain falling against a window, and something inside you seems to settle. What if part of this experience has to do with rhythm? Our bodies are not static systems. They are consistently moving, communicating, pausing, and adapting. Our heart beats, our lungs expand and contract, our muscles respond to signals, and at the microscopic level, our cells are continuously carrying out thousands of processes. So today we are exploring an intriguing concept: cellular resonance. The idea that our internal rhythms can interact with the rhythms and sensory patterns. Cellular resonance, the idea that our internal rhythms can interact with the rhythms and sensory patterns of the natural world. But there's an important distinction. The idea that nature can influence how we feel and regulate our nervous system has a reasonable scientific basis. So rather than treating resonance as magic, let's explore it as a fascinating meeting point between biology, physics, perception, and our relationship with nature. Your body is already rhythmic. Think about your body for a moment. You don't have to consciously control every breath. You don't have to instruct your digestive system when to begin its next movement. Life contains rhythms. Some rhythms are incredibly fast, others are slow. Some change from moment to moment, others follow daily or seasonal patterns. One